Hello everyone, welcome to Bytes by Bytes. In today's video, I'm super excited to share how I created my very first thumbnail using Canva. If you are a beginner and looking for easy tips to design eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention, you are in the right place. I'm still fairly new to YouTube, but I've learned from experienced creators that an eye-catching thumbnail can significantly boost your views. The best part? You can create amazing thumbnails easy using Canva. Here I'll share how I designed my first thumbnail and tips to help you do the same. Let's dive in. I started by going to canva.com. Canva is a graphic design platform. Both free and pro versions are available. We just need free version for creating thumbnails. So first time you have to register and you can use your Google account to register it. Then select a YouTube thumbnail template. From here you search for YouTube thumbnail template. There are tons of templates available and it has pre-made templates designed specifically for YouTube thumbnails. So it's perfect for beginners like me. So I've selected this thumbnail and click on customize this. Then I added bold text to highlight the main topic of the video. I used a large easy to read font that stands out, and you can change the text color as well. Next, I want to upload my image. For that, I need to change the background. I need to remove the background. For removing the background, you can use the site remove.bg. You upload the image there and remove the background and download it. Then you can upload it in Canva. Just by dragging it, you can upload it in Canva. Canva also lets you add fan elements like icons, stickers, or shapes. Then you can change the background. After all your editing work, you can just download it. Click on this share button and download it as a PNG image. And that's how I created my first YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.